Did they really get another new car?
Their new house is so big.
They have all new furniture and ours is so old. Their kids always have new outfits.
OMG, look where they went on vacation. Our life is so boring compared to them.
Hope you're in a good mood, cause this might sting a little for some of you. Most people don't like confrontation, but every now and again, a potential new client would be sitting in front of me and would muster up the courage to let me know that they were interviewing with another financial advisor. Almost as if to either ask me for a discount of some sort or get me to pitch them on why I was better than the other financial advisor. Now, you would think that I would come up with some elaborate sales pitch into rate of return and why I'm awesome and they're not. But you know what I did? I just laughed. I laughed and said, she's a really good advisor and I've heard great things, but we don't really compete against each other for business. To which the client would say, what do you mean? And I told them, I want you to look better on paper. My competition to help you save more money and spend less money is you wanting to buy that Louis Vuitton purse or your desire to want to go on that extra vacation that isn't necessary, or you wanting to buy that overly priced car that you shouldn't get. So I don't compete with other financial advisors, Mr. Client. I compete against you. And that degree of honesty was usually the first little bit of trust to get the relationship started. You know what people don't want to hear about their finances? Stop comparing yourself to other people. Stop it. Just be you. Stay in your lane though. Sure, other people go on more vacations, have nicer cars, and seem to have it all together. But let me tell you, more often than not, they don't. If you're unsure about who you are, then your dreams and goals will never become a reality. Everyone has mental doubts in life, internal conflicts, even the most successful people that you look up to. Stop trying to emulate their materialism. Honesty is the most expensive gift. Don't expect it from cheap people. So here's a little honesty for you. If someone's been saving money for 10 years longer than you, of course they're going to have more money than you. Stop comparing what they have to what you don't, and start looking internally and ask yourself, am I saving enough money so that I can be where they are in 10 years? I appreciate your time. See you in the next one.